shana wena wa n'wi rhandza Yesu kanima shana wena wa n'wi rhandza Yesu kani mambo kani mambo kani mambo. Yes. I am here to pass this message. It's going to be very, very short. Ngicela ukukhuluma nabazalwane. Ebazalwane, ayikho imiracle yokuthi uzibone uthenga imoto ungayanga emsebenzini uyosebenza, unless mangabe uwini lotto or kube ne-miracle money, ngoba ngithanda ama-miracle money nini. Let me tell you bazalwane, you are making it very difficult for God to bless you because you don't want to wake up and look for something to do. You don't want to see opportunities. You don't want to start businesses. You don't want to do anything. All you want to do is to remain in church day in, day out, praying, fasting, crying out loud. Oh Lord, awubabona bozibanibani abasonti kodwa baphumelele. Abantu bayaphila la ngaphandle Nkosi, mina ngiyahlupheka. Oh Nkosi, mina ngenza 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can never blackmail uNkulunkulu ukhohlwa. You'll never blackmail uNkulunkulu. iBhayibheli lisho kahle lapha kuGenesis lithi indoda izodla kumjuluko wayo. Libuya liyasho futhi iBhayibheli ukuthi umuntu ongasebenzi makangadli. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Now I am here to tell you amakholwa lento ukuthi imloko nithi I receive, but God will do something before kuphela inyanga. Type amen. Hey nina nisazofa indlala. Let me tell you, ngiyikholwa ngisindisiwe, ngithanda kabi uNkulunkulu. Kodwa I don't want to make it difficult for God to bless me. That is why I'm making it the point ukuthi ngifuna ama opportunities. I'm seeing opportunities even where it seems to be not having opportunities, but mina ngiyawabona ama opportunities. So for God to bless me, uNkulunkulu uzobusisa lento encane oyenzayo, because igrace ifuna isandla esizofika sibambe bese uNkulunkulu afika abambe phezukwaso. So I'm telling you bazalwane, if you ufuna uNkulunkulu akubusise, yeka lento ukuthi uhlale always wena day in day out uyahamba uyofasta, usafamba uyofuna nomsebenzi, uloku uyazula up and down, uhamba ukhulekela abantu. What about your children? Abantwana bakho kumele baye esikolweni. Mangabe umfundisi, uma umfundisi naye ufuna ukudrive njengabanye abomamfundisi. Uma umfundisi naye ufuna ukudrive njengabanye abafazi, ufuna ukugqoka njengabanye abafazi. She needs impilo. But wena mawuzolo ukuhamba uyokhulekela abantu, how much do you make? It's not about money at the end of the day. Make a decision ukuthi uya ezulwini wena. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho ukuthi wena uya ezulwini, usindisiwe, uphila impilo eright, awuzwisa abantu ubuhlungu, wenza izinto ngendlela efanele. Okusalayo usanomndeni okumele ubheke. Lithi iBhayibheli ke lithi indoda engawondli umndeni wayo is worse than a pagan. Worse wena ukudlula nabantu abangakholwa. Mawungawunakekela umndeni wakho, uyonakekela njani umndeni wakho uloku wena ulazy ukuyofuna umsebenzi, ulazy ukuyofuna ama opportunities, uloku uhlala uthi uthandazela abantu bafundise ukuthi makazithandazela yena akholwa into ayenzayo ayifunayo izokwenzeka. Finish and clap. Hayi nina athi ngithule, yashenye indoda yathi hey futhi nina